Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Etsy account's password. Keep watching the video till the end. To reset your Etsy account's password, firstly open your Google search. Type in etsy.com and make a search. The sign-in page of Etsy will display on the screen. Enter your email address associated with your Etsy account. Now, to reset your Etsy account's password, click on Forgot Your Password. Enter your email address to receive your reset link for Etsy and tap on Email Me Sign In link. Check your email and click on Reset Password link sent to your email. On the next page, enter your new password. Confirm your new password by re-entering it. Tap on Show option to check if you have entered your password correctly or not, and then tap on Set Password. Now, sign in to your Etsy account by entering your email address and new password, then tap on Sign In. This is how you can reset your Etsy account's password quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.